let's look at the lighting assembly for a second. So the lighting assembly, if you're already a best bid user, it's just as easy as just entering your tabs, entering your quantities, hitting save, assembly details, and you have all your results. Well, we also have this assembly page. So now this assembly page is different in the sense that every light fixture mount can be independently controlled. So you can open up the options for that one fixture, one type of fixture, and control everything about it. Strap choice is a big deal that's been added. So now you have all these strap choices for each individual light. So you no longer have to have one strap choice for every light because every type of light might be in a different location. You might need to give a strap. So that is one of the big differences is your strap choice. That even goes down to the screws you need for the straps. So every one of these letters just can be changed to do something different. So that one's an MC, EMT, GRS, IMC, PVC. Each one can have a different strap, a bat wing, a trapeze. So all together, that's the beauty of having that. Plus, you can also open up the options for any of those and change your couplage connectors, straps, water sizes, your flex length, flex type, lark seals, wire nuts, seismic control hangers. So you may not need seismic hangers on this particular fixture. So you just put zero those out. Hit save, and now that fixture health will not have seismic control hangers. That gives you a lot more flexibility, a lot more use. We also have a feature here, fixture and installation outlet. So if you've came from an archaic estimating software product that only gave you a light fixture for your estimate, and that's what you're happy with, you can simply click that box and all you'll get is the fixture and installation only. So there it is. But if you want to include everything, conduit wire, everything it needs for that project, just leave it, clip, and we'll do the rest for you. So if I saw orange did it, have a blessed day.